Hi guys, it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm going to be taking you through a morning stretch routine. I have started stretching not every morning, but some mornings just because I've been feeling really stiff in my lower back, and sometimes I just think I'm getting old. But my clients hate when I say that, but I swear it's true. Ever since 25, I'm like, oh, things just... You wake up and you kind of need to warm up before you start your day. So I'm going to take you guys through my nice and easy morning stretch routine. I think this is an amazing way to start your day with a little bit of movement and just to create some space in your body. So let's get started. My first stretch that I always love to start with is a wide child's pose. So you're going to kneel and put your feet together. Your big toes are going to be together. And then you're going to sit into your heels. Pull your knees as wide as you can comfortably, and then place your hands on the ground. Now you're going to walk those hands out as far as you can, pushing your butt into your heels. You want to rest your forehead on the ground. I'm not going to rest my forehead on the ground because you guys won't be able to hear me when I'm talking, but put your forehead on the ground and relax. We're going to be here for a count of 10. Pushing those heels in, pushing your butt into those heels and really feeling your hips open up. Big, deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Now we're going to walk our hands back in just a little bit. Starting with your left hand, you're going to thread it underneath the right arm, and then you're going to pull your left shoulder to the ground. Here's a mess. Nice deep breaths, pushing your butt into your heels and holding. And switch. Your right arm is going to thread underneath the left, pulling that right shoulder to the ground. All right. Come back to center, walk those hands in and pull your knees back to center. Now we're going to flip and lay onto your back. Both of your legs are going to be fully extended and both hands are going to grab that right knee and pull it in towards your chest. Nice deep breaths here and relax. And switch legs. Left knee in, right leg is fully extended. Awesome. Fully extend both of your legs now. Arms are out like a T. Right hand is going to grab your left knee and pull it over to the right side. Now you're going to turn and look at your left arm. If this is super, super intense, or if your knee just can't seem to reach the ground without you getting a little bit of pain, stop wherever your body stops and then take nice, deep breaths. Each time you do these stretches every morning, try to get a little bit deeper, elongate your muscles a little bit more, and focus on your breathing, and that'll help open up all of your muscles. Switch, come back to center. Left hand is going to grab the right knee, turn, and rotate to look at that right arm. I love this one. It makes my lower back feel super, super great. All right, come back to center and pull both of your heels in towards your butt. I want your heels as close to your booty as you can, so really wedge them back. Right leg is gonna go straight up to the sky. You're gonna push your heel up towards the ceiling, and both of your hands are going to grasp the back of your right leg. You wanna keep your leg nice and straight. You're going to push that heel up towards the sky, and then pull the heel back down to the ground. This is called nerve flossing, and if you have sciatica or any lower back pain, this is an amazing stretch. Or if you just have really, really tight hamstrings. Switch, pull that heel nice and close to your booty, straighten that leg, push that heel up to the ceiling, pull it down to the ground. All right, come back up to center. My final stretch that I usually always do is open your legs as wide as you can, place your hands on the ground, and then you're going to walk those hands forward and breathe. And walk your hands back in, pull your legs closed, and you are done with your morning stretch routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this stretch, and I hope you guys feel amazing and start your day and just have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my content, support and comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. It means the world to me. Thank you guys again, and I will see you on my next video.